answer for this day. Please subscribe, like, share, leave some comments, and hit the notification bell to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever new videos for more learnings about basic programming language. Good day, everyone. Today I am going to share with you on how to create a simple GUI using Netbeans IDE. So first, you click File and then choose New Project. Choose Java folder. Click Next. Then enter the name of your project, Creating Simple GUI. So click Finish button. So this will be your working area or the code window wherein you're going to write your codes, and this one is the project area where you found all the projects that you have already, and this one is the console window or the output window wherein if you're gonna run your program, so you will be seeing here the output of your program if there is no error. Okay, so to make it clear our screen, so just erase some comments which are not needed in our program. Okay, so actually we have two symbols used for our comments. The double slash is used for single comment, while a pair of slash and an asterisk used for multiple comments. Actually, the comments are so important for us to give an explanations about the codes that we are using in our program. Okay, so guys, just want to remind you that the structures of Java has two parts, namely the class name and the method name. So the class name is found here. So public class simple GUI. So the name of our class here is simple GUI, and we use open and close curly braces to signal the beginning and end of the class name simple GUI. And the other part is what we call method name. So we use the statement public static void, and the main here is the name of your method wherein you can replace or change it. It depends upon with the method that you are creating. Make sure that the method will be used by your class simple GUI. Okay, so again, the method name is also using the open and close curly braces to begin or to signal the beginning and end of the main. So let us now put a comment here so that you will not be confused in seeing different open and close curly braces. So we write begin of class, and this one is end of class. Then we have begin of name, and then this one is end of main. Okay, so the structures of Java program is now complete. So this time we'll be creating a method, or actually when you are creating a class, so you are creating an object. So for you to run the object, of course, through the method name, so you will be having some properties and attributes so that it will work properly. Let's invoke all the packages that we are needing in our program. We start with, let us type in import javax, that's wing that asterisk. So the use of an asterisk is for you to invoke all the Windows components. So another package, we need to import java.awt.asterisk. So AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. Then another package that we need to import is java.awt then event, because later on we'll be using the action listener. Okay guys, so we are already complete with the packages that we need in our program. So this time we'll be creating now an object from the class simple GUI. So just type in public simple. Make sure that the spelling of simple GUI is correct, because the Java is case sensitive. The uppercase letters are different from lowercase letters. Then we put the parentheses here. Then we use open and close curly braces. So this is now the begin of simple GUI. And this one is the end of simple GUI. Okay, so after we create an object out of that class, we'll now create and invoke this object to the main method, which is by typing new simple GUI. So the next thing that you will do is to create frame, so that we will have a window. So by typing frame is equal to new JFrame. So if the variables are not being declared, we can declare it first. You will be using private JFrame frame. And the use of using the private is for you to allow to use this variable or identifier within this method alone. Frame is equal to new JFrame. Then it has open and close parentheses, then it has semicolon. So again, the spelling, you have to observe the spelling JFrame. Okay, so this time we will create now JPanel by typing the command panel is equal to new JPanel. So the same thing that we did in JFrame, so we need to declare panel as a JPanel in private variable declaration. So we're gonna use private JPanel panel. JPanel then panel. So next, now in our panel we need to have a set we need to set border. We type in the command panel that set border. So it has three numbers here. It represents the columns, the rows, then the length, and then the width. Okay, so let us continue adding some elements in our frame. Let us put title in our window by typing the command frame that set title. Enter our simple GUI. So add the command frame that stack to display the elements in our window. And finally, we use the command frame that set visible to make our window appears or visible in our screen. Set visible. Okay, so we can try to run our program by choosing run menu, then choose run file. Okay, so as you have noticed, there is a small window appears on our screen on the upper left corner of our screen, and this window we can resize and see the caption or the title of window, our simple GUI. Okay, so let's continue. Let us add another Windows component such as J button. So let us add J button by typing the command J button is equal to button is equal to new J button. Then include the caption click me. So let us add the button in our panel by typing panel dot add button. Okay, and we also create label. So let us put label new button, J button, let us declare again another variable here for our label. Type in private J label. Then let us add a label in our panel by typing add label. Okay, so the function of this program is when you click the button in your window, so it counts the number of clicks and it will display on your label. So this time we need to add action listener in our button so that once you click it will hear by an object. Okay, so let us use the command button add action listener this. The word this is an object referring to the button itself. Okay, so we need to put or add state. Okay, so guys, we add implements action listener to our class simple GUI, and we will create another method by typing public void action performed action event. So every time that you are clicking the button, it counts the click and it will display on your label. So put open and close curly braces again and put some comments. Begin of action performed. Then this one is end of action performed. So type in the command count plus plus. So the use of count plus plus is for you to add one or an increment by one, but we need to declare count here. and we initialize it as count is equal to 0 or int. Use the data type int count is equal to 0. So type in label that set text, type in numbers, number of clicks, then use the concatenation operator plus to count the number of clicks that you have done in your button. So let us declare the label here. So public void new simple GUI public void action performed public class, choosing again run, then run file. Okay, so there is an error. We forgot to type in label is equal to let us put space here. Okay, so let us declare the label after the button. Label is equal to root j label. Put in 0 here. Once that we click the button, so the number changes and it will display on your label. So again, let us run your program. Click run file. There it is. Let us resize the window. Okay, click me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it works, guys. So I hope that you've learned a simple GUI using the J button, J label, J frame, and J panel in your program. So next meeting, hope that you will be able to learn more about GUI components, and you will be appreciating the beauty of GUI in our next lesson. God bless everyone.